Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to add a padding to your HTML element. So before we start, I'll just create a div element over here. I'll just do div and then I will say I am a div, not so, I am a div element. Okay, and once I have this, I'll just come into my style.css to grab the div, and then to add a padding, I'll just do padding. But before you can add a padding, I want you to know that you have 4 parts you can add a padding to. You can add it to the top, the left, the right, and the bottom. And what padding does is adding padding to an HTML element creates space within or inside that element. So let's add the padding. Let's add a padding top to be 20 pixel, and let's add border to make this very obvious. So I'll just do border. I'll just do 2 pixel solid, and I'll just do blue. Okay, so let me reload this. You can see I already have a padding at the top. If you check this border top and this element, you notice there's a kind of space around it. So if I have padding left, if I have my padding left and I just do another 20 pixel, and then I reload this, you see I already have my padding from the left. And if I do padding bottom, oh sorry about that, 20 pixel, oh this top, so I'll change this to bottom right away. So can you see that I already have a space between the bottom and the HTML element? So the last part you can add a padding to is the right. I'll just do padding right, and then I'll do another 20 pixel. Okay, and then you can see it's not actually being obvious because I already have a space around that place. Okay, so but there's a shorthand for adding padding. Instead of adding padding top, left, bottom, and right, what you're just going to do is just say I'll just do padding, and then I can specify 4 values for this. I can just do let's do 10 pixel, but before then let's make sure we reload this. Okay, can you see that I already have a padding of 10 pixel for all of these right here? So if I clean this padding now, I just want to see this element without the padding. Okay, you see I don't have a padding right here, so I'll Control Z this to make sure I have the padding again. Then when I reload these, you can see that I already have a space in between the HTML element. Okay, so if I have 4 values, if I have 10 pixel, 10 pixel, or let's do 10 pixel, 5 pixel, 10 pixel, and let's just do 15 pixel. Once I have these and I reload these, you see I have a padding, but I want you to know that the first value is for the padding top, then the next one is for the right, then the third one is for the bottom, and then the last one is for the left. That's how it's arranged. That's the organogram. And if I remove this 15 pixel over here, it means this first value is for the top, the middle value is for the left and right, and the last value is just for the bottom. So if I remove this, it means I have this as my top and bottom, and I have this 5 pixel as my left and as my right. So that is how to add padding to your HTML element, my friends. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to comment. See you. Bye bye.